My name is Jacob and welcome to the videocast of Group 34 in the course Interaction Programming. And I'm here to present our project for this course, which is the Magenta Event Planner. And our application is based on three main components. It's the web application itself, which is powered by AngularJS, and then of course we use HTML and CSS3. And we'll probably be using a lot of Bootstrap buttons and stuff. And also we're implementing an application which uses the Facebook REST API graph, which is to log in to our application, and also for inviting people. When you've planned an event, you want to invite people. And then of course we will have kind of a lot of data that needs to be saved somewhere, so we will be using a database, and in this case we've chosen to use MongoDB. And this is our first offline prototype. This is just, first there's a login page which uses Facebook, and then this is the actual application itself. You have the day, represents days, so this is the whole event, it's 3 days, and then you have these activities. And for each day you have the day, you have start time, end time, total length, the date, and then you have these activities here. And you can change the order of these activities with using drag and drop. So for example, if you want to move idea 1 here from here to perhaps after the coffee break, you will then just drag and drop it there. And we're thinking about making it possible to drag and drop between the days as well. We haven't decided yet. We'll probably do that, and maybe drag and drop on the whole day, so you can just change the order. And if you press this button here, add activity, this is what you see. You have the title of the activity. You will need to add guests to it using Facebook. So you search and it will check the string input here against your Facebook contacts. You have the length, the type, say presentation, meeting, team building, etc. And then the description, and you press save here to add it. And this is just an example of one that has been completed and not saved yet, which is, its introduction. You see Jacob 1 will be coming and 3 more guests. And then 10-minute duration, presentation is the type, and then a little introduction. And after we did the offline prototype, we actually did an online prototype, which I will show you now. And we used Fluid UI. So this is the first page. When you go to our website, Magenta Event Planner, you simply press login with Facebook, and it will show you this input here. You input your email, your password, and then just log in. So, and then it asks you, so what's next? Plan a new event or continue planning. If you have planned an event before and saved it in the database, you will press continue planning, and you can edit this. But in this case, we don't have an event planned yet, so we will click plan a new event. And also note that after you've logged into Facebook, your picture and your name will be shown here up in the right corner. So we choose plan a new event, which will take us here, which is the main view of the actual application. You have this is the area where these different days will be shown, and we don't have one planned yet, so we'll just add a day to the event. And it gives just choose a date. In this case, let's choose January 18th. And it adds a day here. You can see that it's Sunday, and then you will have to add the start time, and it will calculate end time and duration by itself using the activities that we add later. So now the user can either choose to just add another day to the event, which we do like this, and then let's say we want to have it at Saturday, January 17th, and now we have 2 days here. So if we add even more days, they will begin to stack up, and then you will just go between them using this and this. You will have the maximum is 3 days next to each other. And if you want to instead add an activity, you simply press add activity, obviously, and you will be shown this. So you will decide on the title as in the first prototype. You will add guests using Facebook, the length, the type, description, and in this case the ones that has been invited from Facebook is here with their face and their name collected from the REST API. And then you just save. And this is just an example where we have added a couple of different activities. You have an introduction, team building, and a coffee break. And we haven't calculated any start time or such things, but the application will do this. And then you can just drag and drop to change the order. So that's pretty much our application at the moment. We're working on the we've begun developing the actual web application, but it's still very much in the prototype phase, so we thought it would be a better idea to just show you our online prototype. And comments and suggestions are of course welcome. Thank you.